So, Super Monkey, what do you want us to do today? Oh, yes, I want to go to the beach today. The beach? I thought we already went to the beach. A different beach. If it's a different beach, we can just go. Yep. We should go to a different beach and then make a new sandcastle. Okay, now we need someone to drive us. Chef Noor, because he's the only guardian around here. You're right, Super Monkey. Chef Noor's our only guardian. So, we're just gonna go ask him. Okay, Chef Noor! Did someone call me? I heard someone call me Chef Noor. Yes, Chef Noor. Can we go to another beach? Another beach? I know another one. Let's go to the car. Yippee! Woohoo! Woo-hoo! We're finally here at the beautiful place. Alright, kids, we're at the place now. Really? We're already here? Finally. I'm so surprised of this waterfall. Look at all the ocean. I haven't seen this over. I haven't seen this since I was like a little kid. It's so nice. I know, Chef Noor. It's so crazy that look at all this ocean. Oh, look at the islands. I can't believe this magical ocean. And look, black sand. I never seen black sand. Yeah, Super Monkey, I never seen a black beach with this type of sand. Guys, look at this ocean. I can't believe it. And plus, we can't even swim in here. So, just stay in high ground. High ground? I can't believe it. Chef Noor, so you're saying we can't even go into the ocean? Well, I guess it's really bad, see? Well, I guess we just have to stay in here. How about we just make a black sand castle? Yeah, we should. Maybe right here. And then boom! We just made a... Oh. Did we just made a volcano? Yeah, it looks like a volcano instead of like a sand castle. Hey, at least we made a volcano because we have volcanoes in Hawaii. You're right. You know what? We'll just make this volcano for now. Yeah, volcano in Hawaii. Yeah, there's two big volcanoes. Okay, so now we just made a volcano. Now what else should we do? Maybe look at the view? Yeah, let's just look at the view. I think it's nice. Yeah, let's just look at the view and then we can and then we'll go back. Yeah, we'll never see this. It's a lifetime moment. Or we could just explore this area. Yeah, let's explore this area. Whoa, Harry just starts running already. Let's just go catch up. Okay. Jeez, this is a lot of wood. Yeah, there is a lot of wood. Let's just keep walking. I don't know how Harry just ran like this. Ooh, What's the life safety belt? Or for like some maybe drowning or something? Yeah, I think it's for emergencies, like if someone's drowning or something. Yeah, let's just keep walking. Yeah, I think there's nothing over here. It's just all sticks and rocks. Yeah, I think it's just all just wooden sticks. Let's just shout, Harry. Harry, come back! Oh, okay. Oh, sorry guys. I got a little too excited. So, we're gonna go back? Yeah, we're gonna go back and tell Chef Noir to get out of this area. I think it's just the ocean. That's it. There's nothing else in this beach. Agreed, yeah. It's gonna be. There's nothing there. It's all sticks. Like one good rock right there, but I think there's nothing over here. Let's just go get Chef Noir. Oh, watch out for that big wave! Whoa! Wow, look at all this waves. Chef Noir, can we go back to the hotel? There's nothing else here. It's just like a little patch of a beach, and then all just wood. If that's what your friends want. That was so long. Yeah, it was long. But at least we're back to the hotel. Yeah, we're back to the hotel. What should we do now? Let's stay up and then watch YouTube videos. Ah, heck yeah. Yeah. Oh. Because I'm an owl and I stay up. Yes, that is true. Owls can stay up all night. They're a night owl. Let's stay up and then watch YouTube. Yeah.